So welcome back to this other amazing section where we are going now to start editing our WordPress website. So to get started, since now we have our website hosted already on our server, we have our login details to the back end of our website. So now we can simply log into our website by simply opening up a new tab, and that new tab, you have to feed in your domain name, and then you have to / WP admin. This is a login page where you're going to enter in your login username that you created when you are installing WordPress. Once you are done, you simply hit login, and boom, welcome to our new website. And this website is called the e-News Central website. Now, this is one success, and you have to celebrate it that you have access to your back end of the website. And now we need to see how does our website look on the front end. In case someone visits our URL here, how does our website look like? Well, this is how it looks like at the moment. It has our website name, and then here it has a tagline, and it has a default theme or template from WordPress. So you don't have to worry about this. I'm going to show you exactly around how you can fix everything right here to get what you want. So the very number one thing, we're going to come back here to our dashboard. We're going to come to appearance. We're going to come to themes. And under themes, we are going to add a new theme. And the theme we are going to add is called Astra theme. Astra theme is a free WordPress theme that works very well with Elementor. It is actually part of the most popular WordPress themes out there. It is mobile responsive, fast and lightweight, and it is the one right down here. And we are going to simply say install, and this means we are going to install a theme. A theme is basically a skeleton and basically gives you an architecture or a surface on which your website is going to sit, and that's why we need a theme when we are building our WordPress website. So we are now installing Astra theme, which is free, and it actually also has a pro version in case you want to see what features or how to customize the Astra theme and all that stuff. I'm going to leave a link right up here in the card or in the description box below so that you can learn more about Astra theme. However, at the moment we simply want to install our Astra theme. The other thing we need to do at the moment is simply come here to the settings option, and under settings we can make changes to our general website settings like the site title, the site tagline, the website URL, site URL, administration email, and all that stuff. But at the moment for us everything looks fine because we set it up right back in the cPanel when we were installing WordPress. Then the WordPress website URL, this is okay. The site URL, this is okay. This is basically your website name. And then the administration email, this is now the email that we created. Now, if you have not created this email, it means that you won't be receiving any notifications from your website. So that's why we had to create that email so that we can always also be using it right here in the back end of our website. Now, here they say this address is used for admin purposes. If you change this, we will send you an email at your new address to confirm it. The new address will not become active until you have confirmed it. Now the other things like the site language, you can make changes right over here, and the time zone I use +3. It can be a different time zone for you and all that stuff. Our week starts on Sunday, and that's it. So I'm done setting up my general website settings. Now the other one we need to set up is called the Permalinks, and by simply coming under the general site settings, come over here to Permalinks, and I want you to simply come over here and select the post name, and then you simply hit update. When you choose the post name, it will help your website URLs to be easily readable. This is what I mean. When I come over to my website or my blog and I click over right here on reviews, you realize that I have gotaqg/reviews. Now when I click over on this first blog post, it will take me right here to gotaqg/WordFence security plugin tutorial. Now if I don't have my permalink set to post name, which shows website URL and the post and the sample post or the post name, I'll have numeric URLs in my address bar like this for all my website content, which doesn't look tidy and is not search engine friendly. That's why I recommend you come over here and set your website to post name. So now that we have done our basic website settings, the general settings, the permalink settings, we are now going to install the tools that we are going to be using to create our website.